Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to solve the problem of resource identifier. In Android, you can always see we always connect to layout and our widgets with some ID. We say like r.layout.activity_main. We typecast our widgets into r.id. Whichever ID you have given in your activity main. So in this way we connect those widget to our Java class. Now sometimes it happens you might have seen some errors, that is like the word R is in red color and the error doesn't go. You try to type something else, you try to correct everything, but still it doesn't go. So if you are facing such a problem where you can see that R is in red color, or any of this thing like on create is in red, or you might see app compact activity is in red color, and you don't know why this error is showing, but you can see there are errors. So you can do this following step to solve this resource identifier problem in Android Studio. Step number 1, always remember, in your Gradle file, open your Gradle script. Wait, I will show you. Here it is. In your Gradle script, just click on this thing, build Gradle, build.gradle module app. When you open this file, you will see all your dependency. Now if you have added any dependency with new compile, so make sure that you sync the Gradle file, and to do that there is one easy step. Just go to your tools, Android, and sync project with Gradle files. If you do this, it will surely solve all the problem. Secondly, now if you are sure that you have synced the project with Gradle file, but still you can see such error like r.id is in red color and you don't know what is happening with your project, so the second option which you can use is make sure that you rebuild the project. Now this is the easiest way to solve the error problem. Click on rebuild project and this gonna solve the problem immediately. Third thing, sometimes it happens we misspell certain words in our ID wrongly. Now let's suppose I just remove the plus and I just wrote @id/my video, and I open my main activity.java file and I'm trying to run my project. Okay, so let's see what it's going to show if I try to run my project. There you go. When I try to run the project, it is showing R in red color. You can see here R is in red color and all your folders are in red color. You don't know what's wrong with this thing. Let me open the error. See, here you can see the error code. In message box you can see no resource found that matches the given name @id. Now you try to change it. Okay, so we will just click here in activity main, we will just write here @+id, and you again go to main activity, and in this time as you have written the name correctly, just make sure you rebuild the project and then you will see everything gets right again. There you go. You can see the resource identifier error is now gone. There is no red mark. Now one more thing, sometimes it happens that you have written everything correctly, you have mentioned every ID properly, you have all your codes are correct, and there is no reason to say any red marks, but still you see some red errors in your R.id resource problem, or you're seeing some errors in app compact activity or in set content view or on create, something like that, and you don't know, you're wondering why this is showing to me. I am written everything correctly, my code are correct, my program is correct, still it's showing this error. So in such case, even if you have done doing rebuilding your project and still it doesn't solve your problem, so in such case you can do one more thing, that is just close your project, shut down your computer and restart your computer after a few minutes, and then again restart your project. If you still see the error, try to rebuild it again from here, and then you will see the error gets solved. Normally these methods will help you to solve this problem, but still if you face some problem with your codes, so make sure that you have updated your Android Studio to the latest version. You have updated all your tools and plugins that you use for Gradle.build, build.gradle file. So if you keep your program updated, if you keep your Android Studio updated, if you make sure that everything is correct, then there is no reason to show any error like that way. Thanks for watching. If you have any comment, any doubt, ask below. I will try to help you in the next video, or I will comment back to you. Do subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching.